Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the single crochet puff stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, and be familiar with the puff stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the single crochet puff stitch. This is what it is going to look like. If you're starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to want to make chains in any number. You're then going to start working a single crochet into the second chain from your hook. And your first row is going to be all single crochet. So what I've done for my swatch is I've made a foundation row of single crochet puff stitch row, regular single crochet row, and repeated that. So on the row that I'm currently working, I've made one chain, and I'm going to go ahead and make my single crochet foundation row. So I'm just working one single crochet into each stitch for this little foundation row in between my single crochet puff stitch row. Now I'm going to chain one to start my puff stitch row. And I'm going to turn my work. So for your single crochet puff stitch, you're going to insert your hook into the stitch that you want to work. Grab that yarn and you're going to pull it through, pulling up a loop so you have two loops on your hook. Yarn over your hook, insert that hook back into that same stitch, grab that yarn and pull it through. You should have 4 loops on your hook total. Yarn over and take that yarn through all 4 loops. And that's going to be a single crochet puff stitch. So again, you're going to insert your hook into the stitch you want to work. You're going to grab that yarn and you're going to pull it through, pulling up a loop. Yarn over your hook, insert that hook back into that same stitch, grab that yarn and pull it through. You have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and take that through all 4 loops. Take your hook, insert it into the stitch that you want to work. Grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through that stitch. You should have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over your hook, insert it back into that same stitch. Grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through. You should have 4 loops on your hook total. Yarn over, take that yarn through all 4 loops on your hook. And that is going to be your single crochet puff stitch row. So then you would repeat these 2 rows or however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the single crochet puff stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at CrochetMeLovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.